Welcome to the Scratch Sound Blocks tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to add sound effects and music to your Scratch projects. Scratch Sound Blocks Palette. Let's start by exploring the Sound Blocks palette. In the Sound Blocks palette, you'll find three main groups of blocks. These blocks are your tools for controlling sounds in your Scratch projects. With them, you can play sounds, adjust their volume and pitch, and even create your own sounds. Let's dive deeper into controlling sound in Scratch. Play sounds and start sound. To add a sound to your Scratch project, simply drag the Play Sound or Start Sound block into the script area. Then, select the sound you want to play from the drop-down menu. When you run your project, the sound will play automatically whenever the Play Sound or Start Sound block is reached. It's that simple. To manipulate sounds effectively, you'll primarily use two types of blocks. Set volume to. This block allows you to set the sound's volume to a specific value between 0, silent, and 100, loudest. Change volume by. This block lets you adjust the volume by a certain amount. For example, if the volume is currently 50 and you use Change Volume by 20, the new volume will be 70. Similarly, you can control the pitch, how high or low a sound is, using Set Pitch to. This block sets the pitch to a specific value. Note that the exact pitch values may vary depending on the sound file. Change pitch by. This block lets you change the pitch by a certain amount. A positive value raises the pitch, while a negative value lowers it. By combining these blocks, you can create a wide range of sound effects and musical compositions. Experiment with different values to achieve the desired sound. Importing a sound. Importing sounds into Scratch is a breeze. To add a sound from your computer, simply click the Upload a Sound button at the bottom left corner of the sound editor. This will open a file explorer where you can select the sound file you want to use. You can also click the Import button to upload sounds from your device. Now you're ready to add some sound effects or music to your Scratch project. Recording a sound. If you want to create your own sounds, you can use the Record in Play sound block. Click on the Record button and speak or make sounds into your microphone. Once you're done, click Stop. The sound block is a secret weapon that will make your Scratch project shine. It's like adding a soundtrack to a silent movie, it brings everything to life. Check out this short digital story playing right now. Without sound, it's just a silent movie. Now, turn on the sound effects and music, and watch it come alive. Let's create a fun musical adventure in Scratch using sound blocks. Step 1. Importing project. Creating digital stories involves a creative blend of various Scratch blocks. In this lesson, we'll concentrate on the fundamental aspects of the sound blocks. To begin, we'll import the code about the story clip we've just reviewed and delve into practicing the sound block's basic functions, using this short story as our foundation. Step 2. coding the character's movements. Let's review the codes allowing our cat character to perform various actions in different settings. We've integrated the looks blocks we learned in the last lesson to change the backgrounds, making our cat appear as if it's in a forest, a grassland, or any other interesting location. Plus, we program our cat by combining motion blocks and control blocks to perform various actions to add even more excitement to our story. Step 3. Importing sounds and adding sound effects. Now, let's import 3 distinct sound pieces. We require varied sounds for different actions and environments, such as walking on a quiet path, flying in the wind, and the tension before a battle. After import the sound, we add sound effects to match our story. Every time the characters switch into different places, we'll play the corresponding sounds. And stop the music before switch to next backdrop. Let's test our project. Click the green flag to begin the story. Watch our vibrant cat as she explores different places and enjoys the music. That's it. We've created a fun and colorful musical adventure using Scratch. You can make it even better by adding more sounds, characters, and other cool things. The sound block lets you add all kinds of sounds to your projects. Get creative and try out different sounds to make your projects even more exciting. You can add background music, sound effects, or even your own voice. The possibilities are endless. If you want to learn more skills about digital storytelling, we invite you to join our course. You'll learn how to use Scratch and improve your English at the same time. Happy scratching!